Okay, in the following we want to see how we can add up the two or join the two sets together. So to do that, let me comment all of these removing parts from the set, and we want to, for example, we want to add the new set 2 to the new set 1. So in order to do so, we can write new set dot update, and inside the parentheses we can write new set 2, and what it does is to join this new set 2 to the new set 1, or actually the new set. So let's see after this update what are the items of the new set. Okay, so here, because some of these parts are repeated, or actually all of these parts are repeated, because we have 21 true and false, which are 1 and 0, and orange and pencil inside this new set. We don't see any changes inside the new set, but if I change some of these items here, for example, I can write 30, and I also can write name of a city like London here. Let's see what happens. As you can see, we have London and we also have 30. So as you can see, we have the new set updated with new set 2, and the repeated items are removed actually, or not removed, it is not repeated, in fact. That is using the add method. For example, you want to add an item to the new set 2, and here, so instead of adding these manually, I could have added them by writing, for example, new set 2 dot add, and inside the parentheses I could have written London, and here, instead of adding the London manually, I could have written it like this. Okay, now I did this change and made this change, and I can also do it for 30 here, and here you can see that after we change this and remove this from here, also we will print out the new set 2, save this and run it. You will see that at first we have false 1, pencil 20, London, orange, and 30 for the new set 2, which right here you cannot see them inside the first set, but then after adding these items, the printed one is the one that contains London and 30. Okay, and one thing to add here for update is that, for example, you have a list instead of a set. So imagine that you have a list. So let me write new list, and inside the new list I can write the name of, for example, cities, Frankfurt, and I can write other names of other cities in Germany, Berlin, and that's it. And for example, you want to update the new set with the new list, and that is possible because update doesn't only do it for the sets, but it also does it for the list, the tuples, and the sets together. You can use update for almost anything together, whether it's a set, list, or tuple, or even a dictionary, any kind of collection. That is, the update method does this joining for all of these types of collections. So for example, here I want to write new set, and I can write update, and then I can add a new list. So let's save this, and here run the code. Let's see the items of the new set. Here, as you can see, Frankfurt and Berlin has been added to the new set. So the new set was first added to the new set 2, which also had London and Turkey added to it, and then it was updated with the new list, which had Frankfurt and Berlin. So we have all of these items inside the new set with these methods all together, and then inside the looping through these items of the new set, we can see all of the items one by one.